Hey everybody, this is Derek with Windows Central, and we are at MWC 2018 taking a look at this, the Huawei Matebook X Pro. It is Huawei's first professional-grade, ultra-portable laptop, and we're really excited about it. Let's take a look. The Matebook X Pro, as I'm sure you can see, is a beautiful laptop. It has a 14-inch screen, and it has what Huawei is calling their first full-view screen. It has very narrow bezels on the top and the side, and even on the bottom. And this gives it a very compact form factor, fitting a full 14-inch screen and the size of about a 13-inch laptop. And this is a nice 3:2 aspect ratio screen at 3000 by 2000 pixels with 450 nits of brightness and full 100% of the sRGB color gamut. This laptop actually sports a 91% screen to display panel ratio, and that is the highest we've seen in any laptop. It is the first over 90%, and it's well over the low 80% that you would find in, say, a competing MacBook Pro. So one of the issues with narrow bezels like this is, where do you put the camera? Huawei came up with an interesting solution. Instead of sticking it down on like the bottom of the bezel, it is actually built into the keyboard. Just pops right up and gives you a really flattering angle looking right up at your chin. But it works. They say that roughly 70% of people don't even use the webcam on their laptops, although the 30% that do may not be too pleased with this positioning, but it's still a functional webcam. This is a nice light laptop. It's about 2.9 pounds, which is 1.7 kilograms, and it measures just under 15 millimeters thick on the thicker side and tapers all the way down to just under 5 millimeters thick. It's a nice thin, light, but still very powerful laptop. Spec-wise, we're looking at an Intel 8th generation Core i7 and an NVIDIA MX150 GPU. When it comes to ports, this actually has a pair of USB-C ports. One of them is a Thunderbolt 3 port, of course has the standard headphone audio jack, and on the other side, a full-size USB-A port. On the audio side, there is a quad microphone array for use with Cortana, and it also has a quad speaker array. There are two tweeters up top and a pair of subwoofers down below, and they've been working with Dolby Atmos to make sure that you have really great audio coming out of this nice compact form factor. This nice big 14-inch screen is a full touch panel. The keyboard is full-sized, backlit, which is great, and also this nice big glass touchpad, very large touchpad for a Windows laptop, is a precision touchpad, and it feels absolutely fantastic. And in a nice touch, the power button is also a fingerprint sensor, so you can use it to log on. It boots up in a full 8 seconds from opening it up, pressing the button, bam, 8 seconds later, you're rocking and ready to go. So that's it for the Matebook X Pro from MWC 2018. We're really looking forward to spending more time with this laptop, so go ahead and stay tuned to Windows Central for our full review and for more from MWC 2018. Thanks. The screen is also a touch-sensitive display. I'm going to sneeze.